In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a trade on Robinhood using your PC. Whether you're a beginner, just getting started with investing, or you're looking to brush up on the basics, I'm going to guide you through each step of the process. By the end, you'll know how to confidently buy or sell stocks, ETFs, or even options right from your desktop. Let's begin by logging into your Robinhood account. You'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head to Robinhood's website. Once you arrive, sign in with your username and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure you complete that process as well for extra security. After you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From the main menu, locate and click on Legend. This section is where you'll be able to browse an extensive selection of available stocks, exchange-traded funds, and option contracts that you might be interested in trading. Now take your time to explore. Scroll through the lists, use the search bar if you have a particular company or ETF in mind, or just browse around to see what catches your eye. When you find a stock, ETF, or options contract you want to learn more about, click on it. This will bring you to a detailed overview page where you'll find real-time charts, the latest news, and important statistics that can help inform your investment decisions. If you decide that you want to make a trade, look for the Trade button. Click it, and a small menu will appear giving you the choice to buy or sell. Select the action you want to take. Next, you'll need to pick your order type. Robinhood offers several choices. You can select a market order, which will execute at the current market price, a limit order, where you specify the maximum price you're willing to pay, or the minimum you're willing to receive, a stop order, which activates a market order once a set price is reached, or a stop limit order, which combines features of both stop and limit orders for more control. It's important to consider which order type best fits your strategy and risk tolerance. Once you've chosen, enter the number of shares or contracts you'd like to trade. Double check this number since even a small error could have a big impact. Now, click Review. This will show you a summary of your intended trade, including estimated costs and key details. Take a moment to look everything over and make sure all the information is correct. If everything looks good and you're ready to proceed, simply click Submit. Your trade will be placed and you can track its status on your Robinhood account. That's all there is to it. Trading on Robinhood via your PC is straightforward once you know the steps. Thanks for watching and happy investing.